Hi there, I'm Richard Heine, and I started to first learn Japanese in 2008 and lived in Japan for almost a year. Now, just a couple of quick questions so I don't waste your time. Are you a beginner Japanese learner? Do you like surprisingly fast results? Do you want maximum growth for minimum time? Are you interested in learning and improving your casual Japanese? If you answered yes to all of my questions, then this is definitely the perfect fit for you. Now, real quick, during my studies, I went through a number of books and courses, and I can tell you that virtually all of them lacked something important that was really holding back my progress. It was always my dream to make a comprehensive Japanese course that offers more detailed explanations, producing much greater understanding of the language. After all, if just one extra sentence makes you go, ah, and suddenly you no longer have a problem using some word or phrase, isn't that something worth including? Well, I'm sad to say that it seems a lot of authors and teachers disagree. So I'm here to change that. This 5-week program, which is literally off the charts effective, focuses on casual Japanese, which is of critical importance in mastering the language. Obviously, anybody can say that about any language, but I like to point out that this is twice as true about Japanese than any other language I've ever encountered. And when you sign up, you will begin to understand what I mean. Let me just say that there's a rumor going around that it's hard to make Japanese friends, that Japanese people are distant, especially towards foreigners. Well, I'm here to tell you today that nothing could be further from the truth. You see, during my time living in Japan, it was the casual Japanese that was the key to friend making. Switching from polite Japanese to the casual version is the way to make Japanese friends and build real, long lasting relationships. Not to mention have tons of fun with the culture, the country, and most importantly, the people. You follow me so far? Great. This course is structured in a way to dramatically improve your casual communication skills in as short time as humanly possible and get you on your way to mastering the language. Now, getting started is very simple, just a matter of a small commitment and even smaller investment. And you'll be able to take advantage of 5 weeks worth of Japanese classes with astonishing results. And believe me, you'll be very impressed. Does the idea make sense to you? Do you like the idea? I sure hope so. Otherwise, I have no clue why you're still listening to me. Let me just say that the beauty of the program is that it's beginner friendly. Doesn't matter whether you already know some Japanese or you don't know a single word. I will hold your hand every step of the way and show you all the ins and outs. Let me ask you a question. If I had been your Japanese teacher for the past 3 or 4 years, helping you master staggering amounts of Japanese every single week, you wouldn't be hesitating now. You'd be signing up right now, am I right? Of course you would. I mean, you'd practically be a full-blown master by then. Unfortunately, I don't have that kind of a track record with you. Yet. I only have over 3,000 students from over 100 countries. So chances are you haven't heard about me until now. So allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Richard Heine. I pride myself on delivering on my promises. I don't do any under-promise, over-deliver nonsense. I'm very honest, no BS kind of a guy. And my courses have helped improve Japanese of hundreds and thousands of people all around the world. All I ask is this, give me one shot, and believe me, you won't be sorry. And let me just say that the true beauty of this program is that it comes with an unconditional guarantee. If you're not 110% satisfied for any reason at all, you can get all your money back, no questions asked. In fact, I want you to ask for your money back because I only want happy and satisfied students. On top of everything, my approach guarantees virtually instant results. You'll be able to speak Japanese after just few short minutes, even if you have no talent for languages at all. My approach has been proven and has been tested on more people than I can count, which is a lot because I can count pretty high. But jokes aside, it's surefire paint by numbers. I tell people not to judge me on my best students, but to judge me on my worst students, because I have so few. And let me ask you a question. Honestly, what's the worst that could possibly happen here? I mean, let's say you sign up and I'm completely wrong, my compass is off, and you hate the course. You get all of your money back and learn a few new things. Would that really put you into the poorhouse forever? Come on. Of course not. But on the upside, your Japanese grows exponentially, and making Japanese friends, understanding anime, Japanese movies, drama becomes easier than ever before. Talk about massive step forward. There's huge upside potential for you with absolutely no downside risk. So do this. Sign up with me today, and if you do even half as well as the rest of the people who went through this program, believe me, the only problem you're going to have is that you didn't come across this course 6 months ago and got started then. Sound fair enough?